Hi folks, Dr. Bob. Got some exciting news today. This happened last September 2024 after 7 years of legal action against the EPA over the risk of fluoride in drinking water and its effects on the brain and its development. A United States District Court sided with the Fluoride Action Network. They determined an unreasonable risk to the health of children. The EPA will now be forced to regulate fluoride. That is amazing news. 60 countries in the world put fluoride in their drinking water and force everyone in that country to drink the fluoridated water based on almost nothing. It supposedly helps with the teeth when they don't really have much evidence for that at all. Its negative effects on the brain are nothing new. We've known this for a long time now. A large study in 2019 published in JAMA showed the relationship between IQ and fluoride. The kids that took the fluoride in high dosages, and especially when their mother was pregnant, showed very much lower IQ levels in those children. Fluoride has been linked to skeletal and dental fluorosis, thyroid issues, developmental delays and cognitive impairments in children, bone cancer. We could go on. Fluoride is a really deadly substance, and they've been putting it in drinking water now for over 70 years. Hopefully this is going to give parents more confidence to stop and letting them use toothpaste that has fluoride in it, which almost all of them do that are commercial, and that says keep out of the reach of children right on the toothpaste. It's going to take years to get fluoride out of our drinking water. I don't think this is going to happen overnight. You're going to have to convince a lot of people to stop doing this, but at least we have the first action against the EPA that insisted on this. And also this was the ADA, the American Dental Association, that pushes fluoride in drinking water. This would be the first step. At least we have a court now decision to maybe stop getting more fluoride added to water in municipalities and start taking it out, because it's just pure poison. In the meantime, I think there are two things that you can consume to get fluoride out of the body. One of them is zeolite, a mineral. I don't personally sell it, but if you look up zeolite, you'll see it's very effective at removing fluoride from the body. And the other one is iodine. Now I sell liquid angstrom iodine, like that, and that's very good at removing the fluoride from the pineal gland, which it cakes over that. Now that's very important. The pineal gland is sort of kind of regulates the body. It's almost our spiritual connection, so it does a lot of stuff. It's really tiny, and it gets coated over with fluoride. So zeolite's very good for that, and iodine. Iodine is the second most important mineral that we need to consume. The first one is magnesium for the heart, but iodine really feeds the thyroid. You should never allow anyone in the medical establishment to tell you to get that removed, in my opinion. But it feeds the thyroid. That's your metabolism. It's just really critical, and it's hard to find in any kind of foods. Brown seaweed extract, Lemonera, which I do sell, is probably the best and the highest amount of iodine you're going to find in any food. So absolutely great news. Yeah, it happened last September. I don't know the overall effect of this. I would imagine the EPA is going to fight it. They're supposed to be protecting us, and they're not. But this is the first step forward, and if nothing else, buy toothpaste that doesn't have fluoride. Stay away from it at all costs. I'm on a well at home. We don't have fluoride in my water. It's a great blessing. But try to get fluoride out of your diet, out of your life, out of your drinking water. There are fluoride filters, and use some iodine and use some zeolite and get it out of your body. Dr. Bob, see you next time.